Broadway star Nick Cordero has passed away to complication due to the coronavirus. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV Celebrity Scope, and we'll have that to come on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Link 007 TV Celebrity Scope. Nick Cordero, the Broadway star, has passed away at age 41 after a long battle with the coronavirus. The Broadway star, who was admired by fans right across the world, was hoping that he made a full recovery. This announcement was made by his wife Amanda, who is very emotional at this time. Nick Cordero was a Canadian actor especially known for his role on the Broadway stage. He was nominated for the Tony Award for Best Featured Musical in 2014, the Broadway musical Bullet over Broadway, and he's twice nominated for the Drama Desk Award. His wife made an emotional post on her Instagram page moments after his passing. It read, "God has another angel in heaven now. My darling husband passed away this morning. He was surrounded in love by his family, singing and praying as he gently left the earth." His wife Amanda would normally update fans on social media accounts with the news of her husband and how he was doing as he battled the complication, including an amputated leg, and always keep fans up to date with what's going on. She also shared on social media that Cordero spent most of his time on a ventilator and suffered multiple complications from April as it relates to his leg being amputated. He spent weeks unconscious even as doctors brought him out of sedation and the hassling of campaigning for his speedy recovery. It's a very sad moment for Broadway right now, and his fans and families are trying their very best to see how well they can cope with this current situation as the family is left devastated. Cordero entered the emergency room on March 30 and had a succession of health setbacks, including a minor stroke. The industry has paid tribute to Cordero, with most of them taking to social media and expressing their love for the Broadway star. The Broadway star passed away after spending 95 days in hospital fighting a complication due to the coronavirus. We here at Link 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt condolences to his families and friends. This has been Link 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for now.